Hey lovely bunch, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing amazing. As you can tell by the title, this will be another Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette makeup look. This would just be focused on the eyes today, and it is a soft statement. No eyelashes, no heavy defined cut crease. It is soft, but it still makes that statement. Before I go straight into the video, I just wanted you guys to know that I am now signed up to Patreon. So if you would like to support my channel and help my channel grow, there will be a link below. You can become a patron for the minimum amount of $1. So if you have $1 to spare, you love my channel and you want to see my channel grow, and I can start purchasing the makeup that you want me to review or test out for you guys, then please give that link a click and check that out and become a Patreon. But without further ado, let's get straight into this video. for watching this one. I hope that you enjoyed this eye makeup look. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you leave, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.